You need to hear this if you're a defense buff or proud of India's tech power. A game-changing missile just aced its trial. Let's break down what's new. The DRDO has just pulled off a major win with its successful flight trials of the ULPGM-V3, the unmanned aerial vehicle-launched precision-guided missile. Tested at the NOAR range in Andhra Pradesh, this is the upgraded version, sharper and smarter than ever before. So what's the buzz? ULPGM-V3 packs a high-definition dual-channel seeker, making it a nightmare for both day and night targets. It's adaptable, firing from planes to high-altitude zones, and its two-way data link means it can be retargeted after launch. Talk about mid-air chess. And the warheads? There are 3 anti-armor for modern tanks, Penetration-Blast for bunkers, and a fragmentation warhead for wide-area impact. Bottom line, ULPGM-V3 is pushing India's defense edge to new heights.